Hello and welcome to this tour at number 62 Lunds Farm Road. Forgive the noise in the background, one of the neighbours doing a bit of DIY. But anyway, what we have here is a 4-bedroomed family detached house in North Woodley, Lunds Farm Road. Let's just give you an idea of the road itself. This is the way you enter Lunds Farm Road. Quite close to you here we have Tippings Lane, Ashtonbury Park, Church Road in North Woodley. It's that area, and then if I spin round fully you can see we have the end of the cul-de-sac just at the end of the road there. So let's just focus on the front. As you can see, it's been extended to provide additional parking space, parking for 3 cars, and then the drive takes you down to the garage and to the front door. So let's take you in through the front door and show you around. We've got amenities fairly close by. Walking distance, you have shops, schools of course, Wangels College catchment we're in, always a popular one, and the buses are just literally around the corner. So we're in the entrance hall. Let me just spin round and give you an idea of where we've just entered. There's the front door there. Door on the right takes you into the main lounge. Left here we've got the cloakroom and then kitchen, and then door there through to the dining room, plus of course the staircase to the first floor. Let's just start by showing you the downstairs WC. That's in here. Modern suite, white suite. We've got a heated towel rail, as you can see there, and then the window. It's worth pointing out that the windows, they're UPVC double glazed sealed units with the lattice effect as well. So let's now show you the lounge. That's this one here. So this is at the back of the house. Good sized lounge here. Plenty of room for all the sort of furniture that you'd normally have. Bearing in mind, of course, we've got a separate dining room on this house. And again, you can see we've got the French doors and another window there to the garden. I'll just give you an idea of the view of the garden from here, because it's very private looking at the back of the house, as you can see. Rather pleasant. And then in the corner of the lounge we have the study. Now this originally was a garage. The garage was converted to a study and utility room. Let's just give you an idea of this room. Very much a working office, working study at the moment, as you can see, good size. And then the back section here, this is where the utility room is. Got a window at the back. There is a door from here onto the garden, as you can see. Space for fridge, freezer and appliances as well. So that's the utility room. Quick view of the study again as well. Back into the lounge. And then at the front of the house we have the dining room and kitchen. Let's go for the dining room first. This again actually is a good sized room. Plenty of space for the dining table and chairs, as you can see there. Front aspect window with the radiator underneath. There is also a side door here giving access to the front and rear, and then understairs storage cupboard. I won't show you the cupboard itself, but rest assured it is a very big cupboard, very large. It's like a walk-in storage cupboard. I don't tend to open the cupboard doors on the videos just in case, but anyway. So whilst we've got a door here from the hallway into the dining room, we've also got a doorway here from the kitchen to the dining room. So let's show you the kitchen now. It's got a breakfast table there, fitted in the middle. Units all around. Nice wine rack on the end. Appliance space. Front aspect window. You can see the sink unit there. And more appliance space. And the cupboard there as well. So yeah, a nicely fitted kitchen to the front of the house. So back into the entrance hall, let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. So 4 bedrooms and the family bathroom. I'll start by working my way around the landing. It's quite a big landing on this this house. Let me just show you the landing and the staircase there. The landing goes around here, and let's show you the main bedroom first of all. That's this one through here. So this is at the rear. We've also got wall-to-wall built-in wardrobes with the sliding mirror doors here. Plenty of space for more furniture. Let's just give you an idea of the view out the back again from here. You can see we're well screened from neighbouring houses by the trees. So quite a pleasant outlook. There we go, and that's the main bedroom. Now the second bedroom, that's the one across the landing here. Again, a double room. There is in fact a double bed in situ. There you go. So front aspect, just step into the room here and just spin round. You can see we have got a freestanding wardrobe in the corner, and I have been informed that that is almost certainly going to be staying. So this room does have a wardrobe, double wardrobe. And then working along the landing here, two more bedrooms. This one here, first of all, bedroom 3. Now, whilst it's slightly more of a sort of playroom effect at the moment, this definitely is a double room. Hopefully the camera will show that. Sometimes it's a bit difficult to show that. And again, you'll see here we've got a freestanding triple wardrobe, which again can be included, be staying. So 3 double rooms, and then the fourth bedroom is this one here. Now this one actually is probably a bit bigger than it might look initially, because we've actually got bunk beds in this room. So slightly difficult to appreciate this, but definitely as a fourth bedroom it is a reasonable size. As you can see, it's at the rear. Let me just spin round and show you. We've got this bunk bed here. So that fits in very comfortably. So yeah, it is actually a reasonable fourth bedroom, this one. And then last but not least, upstairs we have the family bathroom. So it's a white suite with a built-in vanity cupboard there. There's the low level WC. Just got a radiator on the left. I'm just going to step into the room and spin round just to show you that the bath here, and above the bath there is a plumbed-in shower, as you can see, with folding glass shower screen as well. And also a tiled floor. So that is the first floor. Should just point out before we go downstairs to the garden, we have up here is access to the loft space. We've got a fitted loft ladder, good for storage, very big access as well, as you can probably tell. So that's the property itself. Let's now take you into the rear garden. So we're now in the rear garden, which, as I've mentioned before, offers a lot of privacy. Let's just pan around left and right just to give you a really good view. We've got the shed there in the corner, as you can see. And also where I'm standing here, we're on the patio. As you can see, there is a table and 6 chairs in situ, so it just gives you an idea of the space. I'm just going to walk over to the side here just to let you know we do have a good little storage area, but there's the side gate leading through to the front drive. And I'll just wander towards the end of the garden. This actually is quite a good sized garden, larger than the average garden for a sort of 1970s built 4-bed detached, I'd say. Let's just spin round, and there you go. That gives you a really good idea. Lots of potential to extend on the back if you wanted, particularly given that the garden is a reasonable size. You can see the replacement windows with the lattice finish. And looks like we have the soffits and gutters all replaced as well. So that is the end of the tour of this property. If you think it might be of interest, then give us a call, book a viewing. Telephone number is on the website. Any questions you might have, then my name is Gary. Do ask to speak to me. Thanks for watching.